How to use Etsy search filters effectively. First, you want to simply open the Etsy application, and once you're inside the Etsy app, you will be able to see the search bar at the top of your screen. You want to simply tap on search bar, and you want to simply search for your product over here. After that, once you have searched your product, you want to simply tap on this filter icon over here, and you'll be able to see a lot of options over here called sort by, Etsy's based, category, item types, item format, and so on and so forth. You'll be able to choose any kinds of product according to their prices, if they provide free shipping or not, if they ship to your country or not, and you'll be able to select your materials, style, colors, and other options as well. You'll be able to sort your results by prices as well from here. For example, if you set your prices low to high, you'll be able to see all of the kinds of products that are marked from lowest to the highest price once you start scrolling from here. And this is how you use the search filters effectively. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.